Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Kabu and today I want to do a tutorial on how to tie a turban the easiest way possible, or the easiest way I know how. And I'm using this scarf which you've probably seen me in a video that I did earlier, and all I need to do is fold it to form a triangular shape, and then fold again, and then I have my hair in this because I want this to be at the front. The folded side will go to the back like so, and then that way tie a knot at the front, make sure it's not too tight, you don't want to have a headache, and then you do a twist on the remainders or the hanging or whatever material it is, and then we do that and tuck it in there. And we are done. Voila! We have a look. Yes! Thank you so much for watching. Please share with your friend who needs these hacks for a bad hair day or a good hair day or an occasion. And yes, subscribe, like, share, do everything that you can to this video. Thank you so much guys. Bye. Okay, it's tiring.